Hi, my name is Mike Lavoie. I am a realtor here in Tampa, Florida. This is the end of March, and it's freaking beautiful out here. Sun's out, no humidity. This is why you live in Florida. This morning I'm out at a subdivision called the Retreats of Carrollwood. It was developed probably 5 or 6 years ago out of what used to be an orange grove. It was owned by the Bears family. This subdivision is houses range in the $450,000 to $700,000. We are approximately 11 miles from downtown. Dale Mabry is about half a mile that way. Dale Mabry is one of the major roads that run up and down through the county. If you can't find the restaurant or the store on Dale Mabry, it ain't in town. If you'd be interested in taking a look at the houses in here, give me a call. I'd love to talk to you. In the meantime, let's look at a little video that I put together for you on what's in the neighborhood.
The Retreat at Carrollwood is located right in the heart of Carrollwood. It's about a mile east of Dale Mabry, just south of Bears. This gated community offers a great location to all the things you want to do in Tampa. Downtown is about 15 minutes away. The airport's maybe 15 minutes down the road. Dale Mabry is just across here with all kinds of shops and stores. And there's easy access to the best beaches in the country. Construction was started in the subdivision in 2013, with it being built out pretty much by the end of 2016, beginning of 2017. There are 94 houses in the neighborhood. They were all built with energy efficiency standards, which means that your electrical bill in the summertime is going to be a whole lot less than other houses. These houses will be considered upper scale. They're starting at about the $450,000 range and go to the mid $700,000s. The Mediterranean architecture makes for a pretty spectacular looking house. On the inside, the floor plans are the much wanted open design, with large kitchens opening up into the living areas. Most of the houses in here are 4 and 5 bedroom, although there are a couple of 6 and 3 bedroom houses in there. Most of them have pools, and most of them come with a 3-car garage. All 94 houses were built with energy efficiency in mind, which means that the electric bill in the summertime, when you're running your air conditioning, is going to be a whole lot lower than a lot of other houses in the area. That's pretty much it for this tour. If you'd like to get some more information on the Retreats of Carrollwood, there is a link in the notes down below. Go ahead and click on it and it will pull up the listings currently available. If you'd like to schedule a tour of one, give me a call. I would be happy to arrange that. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.